Namaste children. Today we are going to do the practice book unit 11 interrogatives. Interrogatives, what are interrogatives? Interrogatives are nothing but the questions. The sentences which are formed in a question form are called interrogatives. Read the following extract. So, if you read a question, you are asking something others. You are asking something. You are the speaker. You are asking, you are the speaker. Speaker is asking to the listeners some questions. Read the following extracts taken from 8.3 in the land of Lilliput. Already we had done this lesson. Unit Fantasy of my English reader. Extract. I already said what is an extract. Extract is some part of some whole. It's a part of some whole, or is a part of a lesson. It's a part of novel. So some part we had taken, some extract, some part we had taken as it isly, no change at all in that. Okay, we are not going to change. As it isly we have to take. So gathering all the courage I had left in me, I asked, "Where am I? Who are you?" A man who stood on my stomach replied, "You are in Lilliput. Since you are not a Lilliputian like us, we have to make you a prisoner." Now extract 2. "Hey, what are you doing?" screamed nervously. "You are being taken to the emperor. I was told in the palace I was taken to the emperor's chamber." The emperor seemed to be wise. "Who are you? What are you doing in my kingdom?" he asked in a booming voice. I began to explain. "My name is Lamel Gulliver. Your Majesty, I am an English sailor." So these two extracts we have taken from the In the Land of Lilliput lesson. Okay, unit fantasy. So what we have to do, what is the name of the lesson? Interrogatives. The name of the lesson is interrogatives. So we have to find the question in these two extracts. So extract 1, from extract 1 we have to write here. Okay, now I will underline these questions. You should copy. Where are the questions? Yes, where am I? First question. Who are you? Second question. We have to write in the first question. This is first question. Should write here. Okay, you write here first question. You write here second question. This is extract 1. So we have to copy extract 1 questions here. Pick out the questions from the extracts given above. What is the work? After reading that, you have to take out the questions and write here. Simple. Okay, go for next. And from this, you have to write the extract to the questions. What are the questions? I will read out. Okay. What are you doing? Who are you? First question is, what are you doing? Who are you? What are you doing in my kingdom? These 3 questions should write here. What are you doing? First question. Who are you? Second question. What are you doing in my kingdom is third question. Note that a question often begins with a question word. Question word are nothing but what, whom, when, why, whose, where, like this. Like see here given what, who, when, where, etc. and ends with a question mark. This is already we learned in the punctuation. If the sentence end with a question mark and started with a question, then that is a question mark. Suppose it is started with a question word but not ended with a question mark, then it is not at all a question. Okay, worksheet 1. The question game. Now we have to go to the work. Just we had done the one activity. Now we can go for the game now. Work with your partner. One of the students, B, should look around the classroom. The other student A should ask questions about various objects and activities in the classroom. One example has been done for you as you ask the questions, keep noting them down. So one student should ask question, the other student should say the answer. Understood? So student A is asking, what is written on the board? They are in the classroom now. Imagine that you are in the classroom. Student B, the name of the student is written on the blackboard. The name of the subject is written on the blackboard. Student A, what is the teacher is doing? You should write, the teacher is teaching. The teacher is teaching. Otherwise, you can write, the teacher is writing on the blackboard. The teacher is asking question to us. Somewhere you can write your own answers also, but just I am saying that the teacher is teaching. Student A again asking question. Now this time we go to the students. What are the children doing? What are the children doing? You should write here. Student B should answer that the children are writing in practice book. What are you doing now? You are writing in the practice book, no? So you can say that children are writing in the practice book. Now student A will ask, what are the students writing? You can ask no. Or what are there in the cupboards? Okay. What the girls? What dress girls wear? Okay. What kind of you can ask. What is that? How many fans are there in the class? Or objects also here. The questions various objects. The questions may be activities means some actions doing there are objects. How many fans are there? And what is the color of the blackboard? And how many boards are there in the class? Different questions you ask. But just I am giving that. What the students are writing. What are the students writing? The students are writing about interrogatives. I said that. What are the students writing mean? The students are writing about interrogatives. Okay. Now we go for next page. Read the answers given below. This is worksheet 2, the quiz bag. Read the answers given below. Imagine you are a quiz master. Make questions for the given answers using clues given in the pictures. The first one has been done as an example. See here. Who is this? This is Australia. And who is he? Ching Chong, like Beijing from China. Here, who is this? Hetero. It's a letter formation of a kind of letter. Ball and bat. Okay. Here, oat. One person is oating here, and here aeroplane, here Bharatanatyam, and here solar system, right? Now these are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 questions are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. Once we will see that. Already one is they given, no, so they did not given the picture of Taj Mahal. Where is the Taj Mahal? Answer is at Agra in India. So Agra is a small place, no, so that's why we keep the preposition at, and India is a big place, so we keep in India. Okay. Now kangaroo, it's not kangaroo, don't say it's kangaroo, it's kangaroo. Where is kangaroo? No, you should get the answer kangaroo. What kind of question you should ask? Australia, given clue here. Australia. Think. Very good. What is the national animal of Australia? What is the national animal of Australia? We can ask another way also. Which animal has the pouch in its body? So kangaroo. No, only lady kangaroos only have, not the gents. So now I think I don't have clear idea about this. Which animal, whether the male or female has the pouch. But here Australia is given clue. So we should write what is the national animal of Australia. Okay. Beijing. The person is there. Who is this China person? So what should write? Very good. Come on, come on. Yes. What is the capital of China? Beijing Olympics. 2014 Olympics held at Beijing. Hetero means it's a kind of letter. No, usually you can see this kind of letters in the ancient time, in the kingdoms, in Mughal dynasty or like that. When dynasties are there, that time we can see this kind of letters. Okay, what we say that? What we say that? Yes. What is the ancient form of letter? What is the ancient form of letter? Now I will give the fifth question to you only. On is the person name that prize is given. Alfred Nobel. Okay, you make a question. I don't do this one. I will not say. So you can have that who invented dynamite and on whose name the Nobel Prize was established. You can say that. Okay, but here not given here. Any clue is not given related to that. Okay, is given any clue? Not given. So you should write here. And I can write here. I can say that on whose name. Okay, who invented dynamite? Dynamite invented by Alfred Nobel. Mostly maybe 4 to 300 patent rights he has. Any one question you should write here. Who invented this? Who invented that? So you can go Google it and make a question and write here. The answer should be Alfred Nobel. Like I will tell who invented the dynamite. You can write Alfred Nobel. Okay, like that. Who invented so and so. Okay. Now 11 player in each team. So ball and bat is there. You know very well. How many players are there in each cricket team? How many players are there in each cricket team? Okay, then here also not given any clue here. Okay. Now tetanus. Why this aeroplane is given? I did not know this. Okay, tetanus toxoid. TT injection. If you hurt with any iron metal. So iron metal, if you get any hurt with iron metal, immediately the elder people of our family will suggest you go and have a TT. So and go. Why? What is that? Tetanus toxoid. It is toxoid. Toxoid means it's a kind of antibody. That antibody will insert in your body with the help of injection. Those antibodies will fight foreign bodies if enter in your body. So that toxoid will stop the infection of your skin, of your body. Tetanus. To avoid infection, we use toxoid. Tetanus. It's in a bacteria. Toxoid means toxic stopping material. Toxoid. Okay. Tetanus. Now at the age of 18, now you can use this symbol, this clue. Then what question you should ask? Yes, what is when do? Yes, when do age of a number is given. So when do? Now tetanus toxoid. What is the question? What is the full form of TT? What is the full form of TT? Now at the age of 18, now question form a question. Number is given. So when do we get? The right to vote. When do we get the right to vote? RIGHT, right? Not WRATER. RIGHT. When do we get the right to vote? Here. Okay. Bharatanatyam. Which state famous dance? It's a form of dance. Which states? Yes. What is the famous form of dance of Tamil Nadu? It's a famous dance. Which state? Tamil Nadu. So what is the form of dance of Tamil Nadu? It's a famous dance. You can add famous also. Number of there forms of dance are number, but related to Tamil Nadu, it's Bharatanatyam. Jupiter, you know, you can ask very well. Jupiter. What is the largest planet in the solar system? What is the largest planet in the solar system? You can ask you can ask different question also. Which planet is there beside, you can find the Jupiter. No, Jupiter beside what is the planet name? That planet you can use behind this planet. Or Saturn before what planet will be? Saturn means ring, it has rings now. So Saturn planet, what planet will be? Okay, before Saturn planet. You can ask different question also. So just I am giving clue how to do. Okay. Now worksheet 3 we can do in another video. Okay. After this you watch another video also. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.